We're here at West Shore Campground, Haystack Reservoir here in Central Oregon. Let's go check out the campsites. Okay, so I'd say West Shore Campground is an interesting campground. It's more of an RV boater base camp. It's more like stalls of a campground, no attempt at privacy lines or individually contoured campsites. If you're looking for that, you want to go to East Shore. That's a little bit better for maybe a family with kiddos trying to commune with nature and get the solitude. This is more of a logistics play. They're all in a row. I'm gonna walk them. Here's 16, 15, 14. I don't know if it's even worth listing off all the numbers because they're just in a row. As you can see, very serviceable, very high quality infrastructure as far as the paving, the amenities. So this is a premium, I would say, RV boater style campground. Nice long driveways, perfectly smooth asphalt. So I give it an A+ as an RV base camp, as a boater's paradise. There is a very high quality boat ramp launch, probably one of the nicest ones I've seen actually. So again, A+ on the quality of the amenities here. The infrastructure is fully built out and no expense was spared. But this is definitely not destination solitude camping. This is more, if you're on the RV circuit going through Oregon, this is a great place to stop. You won't be disappointed. If you want to take your boat out on a little quasi-reservoir lake, this is a good one. So for that, it's wonderful. But there's 4 pieces of infrastructure around Haystack Reservoir. This is West Shore Campground. This has got a very specific disposition type of customer. If you want the more classic, manicured, private, secluded camping, then you want to go over to East Shore Campground. If you got a giant group, then you want to go to South Shore Campground. And this is West Shore Campground. So we got a little bit of flavor for everybody. There's also the North Shore Fishing Pier, which is more of a day use area. Gives you optimum fishing access and is actually a wonderful place to capture the morning sunrise. Speaking of the morning sunrise, look at that. And we'll finish walking these 16 sites. You can see the boat ramp launch straight ahead. And you can see the restroom straight ahead. Just past one right here, you can see, and there's also a day site on the opposite end of the boat ramp launch. But I'm gonna say this is a pretty high quality area, all things considered. So here's our fee station. Here is our excellent boat ramp launch. Let's walk and take a look. This is very high quality infrastructure, very well paved, very smooth asphalt. I give it pretty much an A+. One of the smoothest boat ramp launches I've actually seen. So they spared no expense. Got that classic morning sunrise. That is beautiful. Today is January 24th, 2025. Haystack Reservoir is completely frozen, as you can see. It makes for quite a beautiful sight. This is a wonderful area, I think, to come explore in winter. Campground's not open right now, but it does have early season in spring. Let's walk down here and take a look. Oh, this is beautiful. I'm digging this. And look at that morning sunrise, that glow. That is truly beautiful, my friend. That is classic Central Oregon. Sign says no diving off dock. And here we are. A beautiful morning sunrise here at West Shore Campground, Haystack Reservoir, Central Oregon. Can I interest you in a little orange sherbet this morning? I'm sitting here on the dock, West Shore Campground, Haystack Reservoir, surrounded by this frozen, beautiful reservoir/lake. And today's January 24th, 2025. It is the morning sunrise, and we're getting a bit of a glow off on the horizon, beaming off our frozen lake. Still got the moon out there on the right. And we're still kind of in that pre-sunrise hour where the light is starting to cast its glow across this beautiful horizon. You can see it getting brighter by the second in real time. I'm loving the juxtaposition of these dark, ominous clouds And the orange horizon off in the distance, lighting up frozen Haystack Reservoir. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at that. That is crazy. That is world-class legend. Can I interest you in a wonderland zone, my friend? Look at this. This is crazy. This is the North Shore Fishing Pier, Haystack Reservoir, Ochoco National Forest, Crooked National Grassland. And look at how beautiful this is. Look at this, my friend. This is absolutely spectacular. You got the frozen Haystack Reservoir, and you've got the beautiful salmon sunrise, quintessential morning sunrise here in Central Oregon. Got the flow of part of the reservoir, and the rest is a frozen sheet of ice. I certainly wouldn't walk across that. I think you would break right through, my friend. Oh, that is absolutely beautiful. It's a pink salmon, orange marmalade. Absolutely beautiful. This is legend, my friend. I'm really glad I stopped to capture this. This is truly special.